When I think the big questions about requirements gathering and defining, how projects should go, stakeholders are always the challenge. So, how do you see AI helping with getting alignment with stakeholders? Because each of them seems to have their own opinion. They want to go in a different direction from each other, and getting everybody on the same page is a huge challenge. But I'm thinking AI should be able to help with that.
I think it should too, and we we focus on that a lot. If you think about the things that, so it's a constant battle of being cool for the CEO at the club. So now with the fact that an AI year now is between 3 and 10 days. That's an AI year. That's what we're looking at. So things are moving so fast. And if the CIO goes on vacation for a week, that could be 2 years later when he comes back. He's been in a different world, or the president could be in a different place.
Then make smart decisions where to integrate AI and where not. And sometimes where not to integrate AI is more important than where do integrate it.
Where do you think the most difficult person would be that you would encounter, or what do you struggle with?
CIOs and CTOs, definitely.
I was going to echo that point. Yeah, it's going to be there. It's going to be the unreal expectations because they heard something, or a friend at the club.
And so I asked her, what would you do? And she says, well, I'm on quota. I have to make those numbers. I don't have an option. And shadow IT becomes an option that I have to rely on. In many cases, IT doesn't want anything that's going to have less than a 1 year cycle on it. 90-day cycle on something that's going to be built and thrown away doesn't work well in most large organizations and most large shops. And in 10 days, that's an AI year. That's what we're looking at. So things are moving so fast. And if the CIO goes on vacation for a week, that could be 2 years later when he comes back. He's been in a different world, or the president could be in a different place. The whole company could be in a different place. So I think those are some of the things of the speed of folks as they relate to this. And water fountain, and they may have overheard, like you say, they overhear something that all of a sudden can derail a project, or have a stakeholder to change their mind, or something like that. And so a lot of times you'll get involved in big time politics. What do you do if you're the CIO and you guys have been there, right? And you think the president is on board, and all of a sudden, you think the going through the changes. I just heard one guy that recently that put in a brand new SAP S4 HANA system, and they made 3,000 plus customizations, not configuration changes, but customizations to it. And I don't know, is that smart? Is that
No?
No.
That's an easy. That's a yes or no question. That's just no. Yeah.
right? And then that's kind of